Welcome to my local reviews, where the reviews are hardcore. Today's review is over Cheetos Bag of Bones Flamin' Hot. There you go. Bag of Bones Flamin' Hot. I think they have, it says right here, they have some other flavors. One, I don't know. Anyway, this is what I'm doing today. The Flamin' Hot Bag of Bones Cheetos. 4 skeleton shapes. I guess you could collect them and make a little skeleton. Here we go. Let's get some out here on the table. What is this? A hand or a foot? There's a skull. There's the hand and foot. They look the same to me. There's the chest plate, whatever you call it. Where's the arms? I don't see any arms. Did you lie to me, Cheetos? Where are the arms? Where are the bones? Anyway, let's try them. Oh. There's the bone. The arm right here. Another bone. Arm. Another bone. I didn't know if I showed you a bone. There's a bone. There's a foot. Another bone. That one's kind of crooked. And there's a foot. So, kind of like, tastes like a, I guess a hot cheese puff. It's more like a cheese puff. It's got the air in it when you bite it. The cheese puff flavor. A little bit of Flamin' Hot powder on it. I mean, maybe if you ate half the bag, you might need to take a sip of something. So, yeah. I have formed the skeleton here. So, let's take a look at it. There you go. There's my skeleton right there. Big feet, leg bone. Just like the picture shows. There's my version of it. Whatever. Now we're back here. I'm gonna eat my skeleton. Tastes like cheese puff. turns your fingers red, leaves that powder, that dusty powder, red everywhere. Tastes like hot cheese puffs. It's not bad, but you just get the little shapes of the skeleton. I guess it's an early Halloween thing. I have no clue. Anyway, that's it for today. Remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore. Whoa.